That was Dynabeat by Jane, and we're joined now by Josh from the Fourth Guard, who's going to talk to us about the push-up challenge.
How you going?
Yeah, good, and yourself?
Oh, not bad. Busy day, but, finally finished, so that's good.
Yeah, good stuff. Full of D&D, or?
No, work today, unfortunately, but, a lot of D&D on tonight. I'm hopefully going to jump into a game, so.
Oh, cool. Nice. Good stuff. Yeah, the Fourth Guard are down here quite often doing D&D in the evening, so just a little plug for you guys.
Yeah, 4 days a week now still.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a lot of D&D.
A lot of D&D, yeah.
So what's the deal with the push-up challenge?
So long story short, I did it in June, and basically it's a fair few push-ups. I think it's 1,300, and I don't know the exact number. Oh. But basically, it's a challenge for yourself to just see how many. Well, basically, the whole point is to achieve the entire 1,300 push-ups. But you do as many as you can possibly achieve. And I think that's kind of the message we're going to put across with trying to do the challenge with myself and with Tris. So see how we can, see how many push-ups we can achieve ourselves. Like I'm planning to get the whole lot done, but we're just trying to see how many people we can get on board to just give it a go. If you achieve it, that's amazing. If you don't, then we like to see what you got, what you got in the end.
Cooly dooly.
Obviously not 1,300 in one day.
Actually, I think I'm undercutting. I think it's like 2,400. I could be completely wrong. I haven't looked that well, but it's a lot.
Yeah, where do we get the details then?
It is on. It's the push-up challenge. So just look for the push-up challenge online, and it's.
Are you segueing from that? Was it 25 push-up challenge? It was last year or year before something for PTSD and everything else. No, you're not segueing from that.
No, it's by itself. So it's it's a push-up challenge itself. It's run by, I can't remember the guy's name, but he started it himself, and it's really, really well put. I did it with my gym last time, and we had a team of, I think it was 80-something people.
Jeez.
Yeah, every day you'd finish your workout and you'd look and there's 20, 30 people.
That'd be awesome.
Hands and knees doing their push-ups and stuff. It was very, very cool to, a good motivating too.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling it today, and then there's 20 other
20
people
other,
that are not feeling it today. So you go, all right, I'll join you.
Yeah,
so
good stuff.
It's quite good in that.
You got to make it fun. You got to make 100%. It fun.
That's the more people, the merrier. Whether you are setting to get the end goal achievement for the whole lot, or you are, just giving a go and see what you're good. It'd be good to see how many people we can get to, just give it a go.
Yeah, cool.
I did the 25 push-up challenge for PTSD, et cetera, and anxiety, I think it was. And I was trying to record myself on my phone, and I didn't do it right. And then, so I ended up doing 40 in one day. And I was like, and then I stretched out my arms and everything the next day. I'm like, I can't do this now for the next 3 days. Whoops. I didn't like how I was recording the first one, guys. Yeah. So, I ended up doing about 40 of them. And I was like, I'm done for the next 3 days.
This one can be, if I remember correctly, it's anywhere from 40 push-ups to 140.
Oh.
Yeah.
To get through the number.
Yeah, I'd be about 20, 25 I could do. Yeah. I did one proper push-up my last day. I was like, okay, I've got to do one proper push-up. I could barely get off the floor. I'm like, you can do it. But no, I did most of them from my knees. I was like, I can't do this very well.
Yeah, do as many as you can.
I'm going to do some math because you were undercutting it. It's 3,139 push-ups.
I was close at least.
I don't know why they finish on a 9 and not go up to 140. So I don't know. Maybe that's a significant number for the push-up challenge people. Yeah. So I'm going to take that over the 24 days and tell you how many the daily challenge is.
Yeah, it does vary because I think it is over the entire month, and there is rest days where you don't do any. I think most Sundays, you don't do any, but then the average, I can't remember now, he's calculating away.
Yeah. Average is 130 push-ups a day.
30, that's not bad.
I'm not doing that. I'd be broken by the second day.
Give it a go.
Yeah, I mean, if you round up, it's 131. You won't get quite there with 130. Gosh, that's a lot. Because I can do maybe 10 proper push-ups in a sitting. Like if I just go from fresh, 10, and then that's probably me done for the day. God, 130.
I need to take frequent breaks.
Yeah, no, 100%.
Frequent breaks, icing and heat packs and everything every night.
I think one of the days when I was doing 100, I think it was 160, I was just doing 10 And
Oh,
then
yeah.
waiting an hour doing another 10, and you know, just whenever I thought about it during the day, just rack
What
out
did I
another
do?
10 as you go.
4 sets of 5 or 5 sets of 5. I'm like, yeah, I'm done now. I'm done. That's me for the day.
I kind of want to try it though because it does sound fun and a little fascinating. There's a website here that you can register with, thepushupchallenge.com.au. It starts on June. That's not next month, is it?
No.
No, a month after.
There's a month.
Are you doing any prepare?
Definitely
Yeah.
preparing. Yeah. Been
You'd
doing
have to.
a lot more push-ups in the repertoire at the gym than I normally would do. So yeah, definitely got to get back into shape for that kind of exercise. But yeah, but you can join teams and communities as well. So I've made a community for us and for
Inspire Radio.
Inspire Radio
Okay.
as well. So me and Triss have teamed up, and yeah, so there's a group and there's a community for it. So even if you're a community member, I don't think you have to participate just to be in the community. But if you want to participate, there's a team there. You can jump on board, and it gives you a tracking of who's getting how many each day. And it's like, you know, no one's just, you know, don't look at it as we're going like, oh, you're not doing enough push-ups. It's not really that. Like, you know, for the people that wouldn't normally do push-ups, it's like if you can get, you know, 10 a
5
day done or 5 a day done,
yeah.
you know, and that goes through, that's really, you know, it's going to motivate you, and then other people that aren't giving it a go might jump in. So it's more about that than it is anything else.
Yeah, cool.
So-
I'll have to speak to you guys after the interview about getting involved in your group.
Yeah.
I'll join your team for the IPL radio.
Are we going to do any push-ups today, though? That's the question.
No, we don't have to start until a month from now. I'm not going to do extra push-ups if I don't have to.
I was thinking just for fun, just be like, hey, let's just do something, just for, you know, just get some attention, and no one wants to do it.
I kind of
I
thought,
did push-ups at the gym this morning.
yeah, oh,
Like,
nice.
I've done my bit, thank
I've
you.
done my bit.
Do you do the weights as well?
Yeah.
I wanted to try and get like the really big weights and see if I can just kind of do small reps of big weights. I've heard that's better for building mass.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
That's right, yes.
All right, cool. I'll have to buy some big uns.
Yeah, yeah.
Some big ones.
I've been a CrossFitter for years, so big
Oh.
slight reps. Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah, that's good stuff. Getting there in the end, but yeah. So
All right, sweet. Cool. So that is the pushupchallenge.com.au, starting on the 1st of June, going until the 24th. 3,140 push-ups. You've been talking to Josh from the Fourth Guard, the Fourth Guard being the Dungeon Master group that operates out of IPL currently, but you can find them on Facebook as well. And is there anything else you'd like to plug before I wrap everything up?
no, that's about it.
No? All right, cooly dooly. Well, thanks so much for telling us about that. It sounds like heaps of fun, and I'm keen to get involved. All right. Stay safe, everyone out there, and we will speak to you next time. Bye. I forget we got cameras now.